How to transfer balance to a new bank on Cash App. If you have a bank account added in, but instead of the original bank account that you've linked with your Cash App, you're trying to add in a new bank and then transfer your balance of Cash App into the new bank. In today's video, let me show you the exact steps that you'll need to follow. If this video sounds helpful to you, make sure you stay till the end and let's get straight into it. Now, first of all, in order to add in a new bank, you need to link the bank details with the Cash App. To do that, tap on the profile icon on the top right. Inside of your profile section, if you scroll down a bit, you're going to see the section of linked banks. Just tap on this option. You're going to see all of the banks or the cards that are currently linked with your Cash App account. Under accounts, if you already have a bank link, you're going to see the details of it. Now, in order to add in a new account, just tap on the link bank option. From there on, you need to add in the information of your banks, such as your bank account number and a few other details, and then link your account. Once the account now has been linked, you need to head back. Once you're back in the home screen, tap on the money section on the bottom left. From here, you'll land on the money page, which is going to show you the available balance that you have on your Cash App. Now, in order to withdraw it or transfer it, you just need to tap on the cash out option. This way, it's going to give you a list of banks that are currently linked. For example, if you have two bank accounts that are linked, you just need to select the account that you want to transfer to. So just tap on cash out and then select the bank account that you want to transfer to, and then the amount will be transferred. There's going to be usually two options, either the instant transfer or the standard transfer. Instant transfer will charge you some amount, but if you select the standard option, it's going to take about 2 days to transfer the balance to your bank account. So depending upon what you need, you can select your option. And yeah, that's basically it. That's the way that you transfer balance to a new bank account on Cash App. I do hope this guide video was helpful. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.